Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Latest Fashion Trends. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Only one life that soon is past, only what's done with love will last. We call it madness, but I call it love. When the power of love overcomes the love of power, the world will know peace. Where there is love, there is life. Just in case you have forgotten today, you matter, you are loved, you are worthy, you are magical. I know of no greater happiness than to be with you all the time, without interruption, without end. Age does not protect you from love, but love to some extent protects you from age. Better to have loved and lost than to have never loved at all. Love is not finding a perfect person, it's seeing an imperfect person perfectly. We love because it is the only true adventure. To love is a burn, to be on fire. True love stories never have ending. Never make someone a priority when all you are to them in an option. He is not a lover who does not love forever. Him that I love, I wish to be free, even from me. In the end of we discover that to love and let go can be the same thing. Love must be as much a light as it is flame. Love doesn't begin and end the way we seem to think it does. Love is a battle, love is a war, love is a growing up. I wish I had done everything on earth with you. It's better to be hated for what you are than loved for what you are not. Each time you love as deeply as if it were forever. A loving heart is the trust wisdom. Everything that you love, you will eventually lose, but in the end, love will return in a different form. Knowing, understanding, and accepting yourself is your first step to everything you want in life. You must love one another or die. Love yourself